Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this knotless braids. So I would like to show you a tutorial on how to do them. Yeah, sometimes it's hard for some people to do the knotless braids. Yeah, because we are used to do the to fix that just direct from the scalp, and then it's like that. Yeah, but this one is so protective for your scalp. All right, so let's have a sample of that. So you have to part your hair, and after parting your hair, so this one here is the portion I'm going to plait. So I have to split it into 3 times, and then I have to plait it that way. And now I'll be picking a small strand of hair, and then I have to lay it down that way, and then I have to plait again, and then I have to feed in the braid that way, then I have to plait that way. So I'll feed in a braid again that way, and then I have to plait. So from here you can change to the other side, and then you start adding as you continue. So I'll have to plait it neatly until the end. Okay, remember you can add according to the way you want your strands to be. If you want them to be thick, you can add until they are thick. If you want them to be thin, then you can just make them to be thin. Okay, but not so thin because it will not come out that nicely or the way you want. Okay, good. So we have to do another sample here. So after parting the hair like that, and the gel I'm using is Shine and Charm holding gel. Okay, so you have to plait it that way, and then you have to place a small strand of hair that way, and then you have to plait to the other side, and then back to this side, make it straight. So pick another strand of braid and then place it down there and plait again onwards. So I'll be continuing like that to add until the place I say that, yeah, now this is okay for me. Yeah, so place it down there, and then you have to plait backwards like that, and then here you can now make it that way, and then you continue adding the braid. Remember, when you want to achieve something, you have to have that interest of achieving that something. Yeah, so as for me, I do it, and for you, or for anyone who wants to learn, or anyone who wants to know more about it, then you have to concentrate and do practice and achieve something. Okay, remember the ends have to be tight, I mean neatly plaited, so that when you make your client, and then your client is walking on the road, so people will just see she's very neat and happy. Okay, so let's do the last sample, and here we go. So part the hair into 3 parts. 1, 2, 2 and 3, like that. So I will start by plating it that way, and then I plate again that way, and I have to hold and pick a small strand of bread and place it down there like that, and I have to plate 1 and 2 and hold it, and place again another strand of bread and plate 1 and 2 and place again another strand of bread and plate 1, and then I can turn here if I want, because the beginning is already firm. Yeah, so I'll just continue adding. I'll add like 3 more strands of bread, and then it's good to go. Okay, so guys, let's finish the strands until the end. Okay, so here at the end you can put a small knot, or you can just do a twist and then you leave it like that. Yeah, and then after that you can dip them into hot water. Yeah, good. So this is how it looks. You can see there is not a knot down here, and for this braid you can hold any style you want. You can hold them at the back, at the middle, at the front here. You can put them at the side. You can leave them hanging. You can leave them hanging on the left side or on the right side. So it's you to decide how you want to style them. Yeah, good. If you don't want to leave the front edges, then you can plait them. And this one for my client, she wanted them that way, so that's why I left them like that, so that she can apply a gel. Okay, and also it prevents the hair not breaking. Yeah, so you can see the end result, and that's how it looks. So you can see how it looks inside that way. As you can see, they're not too much on the head, yeah, but it's something neat. Okay. So I'll be applying Shine and Hold Moss. Here it's from Olive Oil ORS. It's for Wrap and Set, yeah, but it's good, yeah. So you can use it if you would like to use it. Yeah. So you can see the way they look. The ends are good and neat. So guys, for any question, any request, you can just comment under the comment section and I will get back to you anytime I'm available. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I love you so much, my people, and I really appreciate for your support. Thank you so much, and may God greatly bless you and bless your family, and may you never lack, because He is God. Okay? Amen. So until we meet next time, guys, bye bye.